In a world where everyone is trying to fit in, confidence can feel like a superpower. It's what helps you stand out, be seen, and be heard. But what if you're still figuring out who you are? What if you're a teenager trying to navigate the ups and downs of adolescence while searching for your place in the world? Well, today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart: how to build unshakable confidence. I know, because I used to struggle with this too. But trust me, this journey is worth it. When you feel confident, you feel good about yourself and your abilities. It gives you the courage to pursue your dreams and face any challenge that comes your way. So, whether you're dealing with school stress, friendship drama, or figuring out who you want to be, these tips will help you build the confidence you need to tackle anything. We're going to go over 10 ways to help you build that unshakable confidence. Number 1, set small goals and celebrate wins. Imagine climbing a mountain without knowing how long the trail is or if there are rest stops along the way. That's what trying to build confidence feels like without goals. Setting clear, achievable goals helps you measure your progress and celebrate your wins along the way. It's like breaking a big dream into smaller adventures, making the journey less daunting and the rewards more frequent. For example, if you want to become a more confident student, set a goal to raise your hand and answer one question in class each week. Once you achieve that, maybe reward yourself with a cozy coffee or a good book. By celebrating your wins, no matter how small, you reinforce your belief in yourself and your ability to succeed. Number 2, reframe failure as feedback. We've all experienced failure before. Maybe you didn't get the grades you wanted, didn't make the team you tried out for, or didn't land the part in the school play you auditioned for. In those moments, it's easy to feel disappointed and discouraged. But here's the thing: failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. Instead of letting failure knock you out, see it as a stepping stone towards success. As author J.K. Rowling once said, "It is impossible to live without failing at something unless you live so cautiously that you might as well not have lived at all, in which case you fail by default." So what does this mean in practice? Let's say you bomb a test. Instead of wallowing in self-pity or blaming others, take a deep breath and ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Maybe you didn't study effectively or didn't understand the material. Use this feedback to adjust your approach and come back stronger next time. Number 3, stop chasing approval. When you constantly seek approval from others, you're giving away your power. It's like letting someone else hold the reins of your life. And let's face it, you don't always know where they're gonna drive you. Instead of chasing approval, focus on living a life that reflects your values and brings you joy. Think about it. Would you rather have everyone love you but hate yourself, or have a few true fans who admire you for being authentically you? That's right. Being true to yourself is the ultimate form of confidence. Number 4, do things that make you feel good. Taking care of yourself is essential when it comes to building unshakable confidence. Think about it. When you feel good physically and emotionally, you're more likely to feel confident and empowered. That means getting enough sleep, eating nutritious foods, staying active, and engaging in activities that bring you joy. Whether it's dancing, painting, playing an instrument, or hanging out with loved ones, make time for the things that recharge your batteries and make you feel like your best self. Number 5, practice self-compassion. When you're striving for greatness, it's easy to get caught up in the idea that you need to be perfect. But guess what? You're not alone. We all mess up sometimes, and that's okay. Instead of beating yourself up over mistakes, practice self-compassion and show yourself the same kindness and understanding you would offer a friend. After all, you wouldn't tell a friend they're worthless after they make a mistake, would you? So the next time you stumble, pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and remember that you're doing the best you can. Number 6, surround yourself with positive people. Your inner circle of friends can significantly impact your confidence level. That's why it's essential to surround yourself with positive, supportive, and uplifting people. These are the folks who believe in you even when you don't believe in yourself. They're your cheerleaders, your shoulder to cry on, and your accountability buddies. By surrounding yourself with positivity, you'll find that your confidence soars to new heights. Number 7, push your comfort zone regularly. growth doesn't happen within our comfort zones. That's where personal development goes to retire. To build unshakable confidence, you must regularly push your comfort zone and challenge yourself to do new and exciting things. This could involve taking on a leadership role, trying out for the basketball team, or starting a conversation with someone you've been wanting to talk to. The key is to step outside your comfort zone consistently, allowing yourself to grow and evolve into a more confident version of yourself. Note Dear 8. Visualize success. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you build confidence. When you visualize success, you create a mental image of yourself achieving your goals and conquering your fears. This technique allows you to see yourself as if you already possess the confidence you desire. Try visualizing yourself in a situation where you feel nervous, such as giving a presentation or performing on stage. Picture yourself speaking with poise and conviction, commanding the attention of your audience. By visualizing this outcome, you train your mind to believe in your ability to succeed, ultimately boosting your confidence. Number 9. Keep a gratitude journal. Gratitude is a powerful tool for building unshakable confidence. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your mindset away from negativity and toward positivity. Keep a daily gratitude journal where you write down 3 new things you're grateful for each day. It could be something as simple as having a warm bed, enjoying a delicious meal, or spending time with friends and family. By practicing gratitude, you'll start to notice positive things in your life and feel more confident in your ability to handle whatever challenges may come your way. Number 10. Forgive yourself. Holding on to past mistakes and seeking forgiveness from others can weigh heavily on your mind and erode your confidence. Learning how to forgive yourself is a crucial step in building unshakable confidence. Mistakes are inevitable, and they don't define your worth. By forgiving yourself, you release the burden of guilt and shame, allowing your confidence to shine through. Practice self-forgiveness by acknowledging your mistakes, learning from them, and moving forward with kindness towards yourself. Building unshakable confidence takes time and practice, so be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and learn from both your successes and setbacks. With consistent effort and self-awareness, you'll find yourself becoming more confident in all areas of your life. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends and let them know that they too can build unshakable confidence. Together, you can support each other on your journey towards greater self-assurance. Remember, confidence is not something you're born with. It's a skill you can develop. So keep working on it and watch as your confidence grows.